Dear attendees, a report on the topic is offered to your attention. Geo-information system for ensuring the functioning of the VHF range radio direction finding network. Usually, all data are delimited and form a kind of level. In general, all levels of data representation form a hierarchy that can be classified and distinguished as separate parts of a geographic information system. The data model, in our case, is a general concept of data organization in the geo-information system, which is data created and ready for display and transformation into a result. The data communication layer is an intermediate layer between the storage and the data model and is therefore intended for communication. These are usually transformation matrices, vector data, links, lists, and other GIS-specific ways of structuring data. Data structures are the lowest level that provides the maximum detail of the data model and enables data normalization. This level includes file structures, databases, and data types. Each data model element must contain identifiers, attributes, binding to spatiotemporal data models, and data transformation and processing functions. A geographic information system must store basic data and data specific to a specific geographic information system. All data is stored in databases, which can be conditionally divided into the following types: geodatabase, geovisualization database, geoprocessing type. The development of the geo-information system to ensure the functioning of the radio direction finding network of the ultra-short-wave range took place in two stages. At the first stage, the structural scheme of the geo-information system was developed. The structure diagram contains three main blocks: the server, the client, and the database. Directly, the server itself contains four modules, each of which is responsible for the implementation of a certain function. The user interaction module is responsible for creating a network connection between the server and the client and receiving information from it. The module of interaction with the database implements the ability of the user to search the database, as well as store all information received from the client. The information processing module analyzes the information received from the client and performs certain calculations. The map interaction module allows users to graphically display the contents of the database, namely the bearing results. In addition, it allows you to plot bearings and determine the location, take measurements on the map. At the second stage, the work algorithm and software of the geo-information system were developed. The software of the geo-information system, to ensure the operation of the radio direction finding network, includes a server and a client part. The server part is intended for reproduction and accumulation of information from direction finders. The server part receives information about bearings, accumulates them, processes, reproduces, saves, as well as creates a single information space for radio direction finding and radio monitoring tools. Thus, the user of the geo-information system is able to combine into a single radio direction finding network means that the standard software does not provide for this. In the process of accumulating direction finding results, it is possible to create a database of objects, a combination of detected objects. Functionality of both the client and server software of the geo-information system for providing the radio direction finding network of the ultra-short-wave range has been practically verified. The ability of the software to work in both manual and automatic mode has been verified.